Hi, this is Ashwant. I'm going to talk about WrenchAI. It is a platform that allows you to ingest obscure mission manuals into the system and then helps you answer questions against it or help generate a step-by-step action item or a user guide of sorts to perform a particular piece of action or diagnose a set of information with using images as well into the chat ecosystem. Right, so let's get to the demo. Hey, this is the WrenchAI app that has ingested a Tata Tiago's user manual, so you can ask questions or do a guided tour for a particular task or an issue that you want to fix. Right, so in the ask questions, it's like a typical chatbot. Let's say I take a photo, add it and say how to fill wiper fluid. The AI behind the scenes would use the data from the user manuals. Yeah, so the answer is here. It would tell you, the item is in this compartment by opening the fill cap, adding the good quality liquid, and this is the series of steps that you can perform. It also has references to the page numbers in the user manual if you want to quickly refer to a particular piece of information, right? In a way, you can kind of do this today in Claude or ChatGPT if you can upload the manual and then ask questions against it. The larger goal is it doesn't hinder your context window, and this kind of has the ability to ingest even obscure manuals or old machinery manuals in an organization or in a manufacturing plant to help the users or the engineers who wants to come and fix certain things to do. Or it can also be used if you're a new car owner like me to manage a particular piece of information, right? So the next one is the guided tour, where you can say how to enable Apple CarPlay. So if you ask this, it would kind of again search through the manual, and then instead of giving you to
Step
process the
1.
manual,
Connect your Step 1.
you can
Connect your
here.
iPhone to the vehicle's Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the vehicle's USB port.
Right, and then
Step 2. On the infotainment screen, navigate to the home screen.
yeah, and then go
Step
to the
3.
step 3.
Tap the Apple CarPlay icon top row, between Android Auto and Radio.
Yeah, so the thing is, it would I don't know if the voice was heard properly in the microphone, but you can kind of connect to your headset and then tap through one at a time, like a next tab, to go through the series of steps that you want to perform for the task, right, without even being on touching the screen for you to go to the next or anything of that sort, right? So this is the idea. There are obviously a lot of things that we can do, but given the time, this is kind of what we have. That's WrenchAI, folks. Thank you.